Hello, advanced math students. Here is your assignments for February 8th through 12th. Only 4 days. So you have 3 things that you need to do this week. Number 1, you're going to watch this video before you come to your scheduled meet. Second of all, you are going to do the more graphing linear equations in GoFormative. There's a short video and some practice. I've given you 12 equations and you need to graph them. That's pretty much it. It's a review assignment. As is number 3, more linear equation word problems. This is from 4.4b and 4.5b. Again, in GoFormative, video, short video, and some practice. 12 more word problems that you need to write an equation for, either in standard form or in slope-intercept form. So this week is a short week. Monday and Tuesday is cohort 1. Wednesday and Thursday is cohort 2. Friday, there is no school for students. This is a planning day for teachers. This is for us to get ready to have you back, which is going to happen next week. So I'm looking forward to that. So in preparation for that, the question of the week is, will you be ready to come back to school next week? Are you caught up on your homework? I will have the grade book updated by the time this video is posted, so you should double check on campus to make sure that you do not have any missing work. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and I'll see you in our Google Meets this week, and I will see you in person next week. Have a great day.